I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita ketemu lagi dengan Abu Channel. Hari ini saya akan ngelanjutin karbon tutup kipas motor scopy. Sebelum ngelanjutin karbon, jangan lupa di like, subscribe, and komen di bawah ya guys. Terima kasih yang udah subscribe. Yuk simak videonya sampai selesai. Pertama saya akan pengecetan warna black. Saya semprotkan sampai 2 lapis ya guys.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Ini udah kering catnya dan dilanjut untuk di karbon tutup kipasnya motor scopy ya guys.
Hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range.
Tahap terakhir yaitu pakai clear atau varnish. Saya semprotkan sampai 3 lapis ya guys.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 you got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play
ini udah kering dan udah selesai. Terima kasih udah menyimak video dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.